As the winter chill sets in, it's probably one of your top priorities to stay warm. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, we'll take a look at some unwanted house guests who also have the same priority in mind right after this. Got any tools on your Christmas list? You're in luck this year. Today's homeowner has teamed up with Woodcraft to provide one lucky winner $1,000 worth of tools and woodworking supplies. Now through December 15th, enter the Tools Under My Tree giveaway at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to win a $1,000 Woodcraft gift card. Again, it's very easy to enter. Just log on to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway. A warm place to live during the winter is a nice thing to have. Unfortunately, there are a few four-legged visitors who are also looking for a warm place, and too often they choose your home. The three biggest culprits are mice, rats, and squirrels. It's important to make monthly visual inspections around your home to look for any gaps that'll allow these critters access. Mice can get into a home through a gap as small as a quarter inch. Rats and squirrels will actually gnaw and chew their way in, which is why you have to inspect your home regularly. Keep all these openings sealed, and if you already have infiltration, set traps, or poison, or turn to the pros to remove these rodents before they can damage your home. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.